What's up, programmies? It's me again, CJ. I'm taking Bachelor of Computer Science. I'm here to share to you my learnings and experiences in this course. So if you want to become updated with my new videos, so please click the subscribe button. So let's get started. So for today's video, we were going to focus on how to make your computer run faster. So here are the simple steps. So first, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. Then you can see here the run window. Then I'm going to type prefetch, then select OK. After that, we can see here the PF file, database file, PF files, and so on so forth. So now I'm going to select this all by pressing Control key and A key simultaneously. Then press delete. Then skip. After that, press this exit. So close that. Then now I'm going to press again the Windows key and R key. Then I'm going to type temp. Then select OK. Then after that, I'm going to select this all, then press delete. Continue. Skip. Then close this file explorer. Then I'm going to press this Windows key again and R key. So I'm going to type %temp%. So hit this OK. Select all, then press delete. Continue. Skip. 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 So I'm going to close this. Then after that, I'm going to go on my computer. So this PC here, I'm going to click this. Then we can see here the local disk C. Okay, this is the size of my local disk. So I'm going to right click this. Then properties. Then I'm going to select this disk cleanup. So select. So we can see here on the disk cleanup for C are files to delete. So I'm going to check this. Check this all. Then you can see here the total amount of disk space you gain. So 577 megabytes. So now I'm going to delete this and select this OK. Then delete these files. So cleaning up drive. Continue. So when it's done, I'm going to X this, close this. Then we can see here on the recycle bins that this is already empty. So I hope you are learned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So see you on my next videos. Thank you.